So, our friends at the DeeRC Toy sent us this buggy, the 9005E, 1/14 scale. I want to thank you, Isabella Lynn and DeeRC Toy. She set us up with this. We're not into the 18th scale so much, but we're like, let's try it.
14th.
14th. That's what I said. 14th.
You said 18th.
I said 14th.
18th.
We're not into the 18th scale so much.
Anyway, move on.
So she set us up with this 1/14 scale. All metal oil shocks, manual diffs, fully metal driving system. Yeah, it's a DeeRC. Anyway, what have we got in the box? Ooh. 1/14 scale DeeRC 9005E. I have seen a lot of this on the page. Let's see what's underneath. So we got a Savage Roar is what we have here. Okay, so looks like some nice adjustable shocks here. Okay, let's see what else we got inside here. Ooh, it's a battery.
The battery. Two batteries.
Yep. I guess dirty, you can do that. And we got some lug nuts. 7.4V, 1500. So the same as all these other DeeRC products.
Look, you got two flags.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
It's two flags. These are the batteries that fit all these other buggies. So wow, this thing's gonna smoke.
Look at that. Let's go in the car here. Somewhere.
Where are they?
No.
No, they go.
No. Oh, right here. No, that's the thing.
No, they go here. No. Yes.
No, because that's when you walk in.
No.
That's when you walk in.
No. All right. All right. Yeah. Okay.
4 hours later.
Oh. Okay, so it's little. No, why would you do that?
Because
Let's look at my truck while we're doing that.
What's up?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, what happened?
Ooh, that's all lit up and stuff. All right.
Yeah.
Where do I plug in the lights?
Go there. Oh, right there.
No,
They go on that one?
No, right here. Black right here. No, I think the things might be bent or
I'll hold it.
something.
You do it.
Pretty cool. Oops.